Hey there! Trail your hair for today's adventure. In this short video, 81 minus 81, which equals 0, times 81 minus 81 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication. 81 times 81 equals 6,561. So we have 81 minus 6,561 minus 81, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 81 minus 6,561, which equals minus 6,480. So we have minus 6,480 minus 81, which equals minus 6,561. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Join the community, like and subscribe.